Cannot change password on Acorns Spend Fix. If you're trying to change your password on Acorns Spend and it's not working, here's the truth: most people look in the wrong place. Acorns has several features like Invest, Later, and Spend, but they all share one main login. So when you can't update your password directly in the Spend section, it's not a glitch, it's just how Acorns is structured. Here's how to fix it. Open the Acorns app, tap the profile icon in the upper corner, then select Settings. From there, go to Sign In and Security and tap Change Password. You need to enter your current password, then type your new one twice to confirm. If you've forgotten your password altogether, log out of the app and tap Forgot Password on the Sign In screen. You'll receive an email with a secure link to reset it. Make sure to use the same email link to your Acorns account, otherwise the reset won't go through. Now, here's something most people miss. Because Acorns Spend is tied to your checking account and debit card, the platform uses extra verification layers. Sometimes, after a password change, the app may log you out of connected devices or ask for two-factor authentication. This is intentional, it keeps your money safe. If the password change still does go through, check your app version. Outdated versions of Acorns can block certain settings. Update through your device's app store, reopen the app and try again. Once your password is successfully updated, it automatically applies to Acorns Spend, Invest, and Later. No need to repeat the process. So, if you've been frustrated trying to change your password on Acorns Spend, the fix is simple. Use your main account settings, follow the verification steps, and make sure your app is up to date. With that, you'll be back to managing your spend account securely and confidently.